So I'm sticking with the whole French tarragon theme. I'm doing something I call the left bank. So I'm muddling some fresh tarragon at the bottom of our shaker. It's very lovely. Now we're going to add some gin. About 2 ounces or so per cocktail, but I'm kind of eyeballing it here because...
You could use vodka here too though, right?
Oh,
because
certainly.
gin is vodka with aromatics and you added an aromatic to this.
Gin is merely flavored vodka, flavored mostly with juniper and some other things.
But you have tarragon in this, so you could certainly just substitute vodka if you didn't
You can
have to.
certainly substitute vodka. This is called Lillet Blanc,
Lillet Blanc.
and it's French. It's a fortified wine. Sort of think like a vermouth, but a lot softer.
It's much softer.
Much softer and sweeter, but not too sweet. It's just very lovely. The kind of thing you'd like sip on the rocks on a warm spring day in the middle of the afternoon.
Or early fall.
Or early fall, as that's what this is. Now we're gonna add just a little bit of simple syrup, which, very simple, half sugar, half water. Melt the sugar into the water, and then you can store
Microwave, stove, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Store in a squirty bottle.
Store it in a squirty bottle, put it in your fridge. And I'm also going to add a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice to offset the sweetness.
It's like a tarragon lemonade for grown-ups.
Yeah, you could say that.
Yeah, I just did.
Or you could say something else.
And I just did.
Now here's the part of the segment where I spill ice all over the counter. There it goes. I try.
There
Ice
it goes.
Going everywhere. You know, we're working from the guest house here. We're a little limited on space.
You did that in our house.
Yeah, I mean, I would do that in Madison Square Garden. Doesn't matter how much space I have. So we're shaking
It's not a party till you throw the ice.
Shake that, chill.
Dump these out?
Yeah, I just put ice and water in my cocktail coops.
These were from Curtis.
Yes.
These were
Curtis,
from 50 at the holidays last year to celebrate his brand. Thank you, 50.
Thank you. Oh, that looks pretty.
They're gorgeous.
And then, because we have them, we want to garnish with a little bit of edible flour.
Which we ordered online from Chef's Garden. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef, and your garden. Cheers. That's the left
Cheers,
bank.
Annie.
Voila.
Wow.
Ooh, that's good.
Fantastic.
I love when I surprise myself.